Hello, you're watching James. My name's James. You're watching me, and I'm talking about watches. Well, I finally bought a watch that I've been looking at for quite some time. I've been looking at this watch ever since I bought my first Berny watch, which was quite some time ago now. But it was branded as First Time, and that sort of brand name didn't really connect with me. And I understand a lot of people haven't really connected with the Berny brand, but I've quite come to like it. I find it quite endearing, perhaps because my first Berny watch is so good and I love it so much. So I kept an eye out on it. I did come back to it on many occasions. I really like this compressor style, dual crown, internal rotating bezel style watch. And then just the other day, it popped up again, but this time it had Berny on the dial. And I thought, absolutely, it's time to buy this watch. So I pressed that buy it now button. If you are interested in this watch, I'll be leaving one of those affiliate links down in the comments. But let's jump into it and have a quick look at this compressor style Berny watch. So here we have the Berny AM7081M, which comes with the sort of compressor style case. And I picked the yellow one. And it comes in a fairly simple golden box. We have a hang tag and a manual, which is a lot thicker than I would have expected for a watch. And it comes on this big cushion, very similar to the other Berny packaging that I got, and there's other same Berny pillow that I got as well. So my first impression of the watch is that I actually really like it. It's a really nice looking and feeling watch. I do like this dual crown thing. It's a little bit different. I know there's a few watches now that are coming out with that, but still, I think this is quite cool, especially at the affordable price that it is. And this one's about $110 on the official Berny AliExpress store. But it's not perfect. I'm going to point out a couple of things that I've already noticed that I like and I dislike. I like how they've updated the logo. It's now a Berny watch. I've got a bit of a soft spot for Berny because of my super affordable one. But let's just have a look at that second hand. Yeah, that's jumping around a little bit, isn't it? It's not meant to do that. This is an automatic watch. It's not meant to look like a quartz watch. It's, yep, oh, no, yep, no, it's going. All right, so that's a bit of an issue. I'm going to contact Berny about that and see if they can sort it out for me, or perhaps maybe get a partial refund from it. I have already noticed once it hits the 6 and hits onto the left-hand side of the dial, it starts ticking normal. Hey, look at that. Oh, yep, that's better normal. But that aside, I do like the look of it. I like the indices there. I like that inner chapter ring. Obviously, this one here moves that inner chapter ring. It is a screw-down crown. It does have hand winding. It's also got hacking. It's good to see. I like it. Really nice feeling crowns as well. They're both matching, very easy to grab hold of. Nice big slab side. You got a see-through case back there showing off this Berny movement. I think it's a SEAGULL movement or a other type of Chinese movement. Probably why it's jumping around a bit like this. The rubber strap is actually really nice, very soft to touch, very malleable, but feels quite thick as well. The little keepers, however, they feel like they're about to fall off half the time, but that's okay. Let's check this out on the wrist, shall we? Very comfortable strap, really soft, feels like a bit of a silicone, but it doesn't feel like it's going to attract a lot of dust or grime. Certainly fits on my wrist quite well. It's a bit of a chunky monkey, but yeah, I like it. It's kind of fun. It has that sort of fun feel about it, not just because of the look and the color, but I don't know, just all the things in combination. I've been looking forward to getting this one, and I've sort of been waiting for them to change the logo, which I was hoping that they were going to do, which they've done. As soon as they did, I pulled the trigger and I bought one. Fantastic. All right, I'll be sticking that on wrist for a while so I can give you a proper full review, and I'll hopefully get back to you with my resolution about this oddly ticking hand. Yes, that's a bit disappointing, but hey, seems to be working still. I'll be putting on the time graph for later when I do that full review to see if that actually changes the functionality or the time of this watch as well. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you again soon.